how to use YouTube Shorts to grow your channel. So I'll give you guys some few tips. So the first one is hook them in 3 seconds. Place a bold text title or an intense visual action at the absolute beginning of your video so people do not swipe away. The second one is keep it short. Aim for about 20 to 45 seconds. Shorter video make it much easier to maintain a average view duration. So for the third one, we have loop the ending. So make the final second of your video blend seamlessly back into the first second. Viewers will watch it twice without realizing and double watching your video. So for the another one I have for you guys is use native audio. Use trending songs or sounds directly from the YouTube short library. The algorithm pushes video using high momentum tracks. So for the last one I have is cut out all pauses. So if your video have any kind of breathe or silence, something like that, simply cut them out. Use jump cuts, text pop-ups and fast pacing to maintain viewers' short spam attention. And yeah, that's it. Following all of those tips, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to create your YouTube shorts to grow your channel, and that's it.